In this tutorial, we are going to write a program that runs on the Arduino Uno. We will modify a code project to turn on and off an LED in Morse Code style. Take a moment to look at the Wikipedia article for Morse Code. You can find this at wikipedia.org and search for Morse Code. Morse code is a way to transmit text using radio waves or light. It is made up of short and long tones that represent numbers or letters. We're going to write a program that sends SOS, which stands for Save Our Ship. This is a classic distress call. Let's go back to the PAVE website. Make sure you're logged into PAVE and click on the projects page. Click on the Arduino Uno project. In the description it says Experimental Programming Unit. Click on the Code button. The PAVE IDE will pop up in a new window. Let's maximize this window so now it fills up the whole screen. There will be two tabs in the upper left corner of the screen. The first says Tutorials and the second says Projects. Click on the arrow next to Tutorials and expand the tab. Note there are two projects, Blink and SOS Morse Code. Don't look at the SOS Morse Code first. That's what we'll be doing in this tutorial. If you get stuck later, then you can come back and click on that project to see the completed source code. For now, let's click on the Blink tutorial and then click on the main.cpp file. Click OK, indicating you would like to load this file. Let's change the comments to reflect the new project and then clear out the loop code. We're going to add two function prototypes, dot and dash. We'll do this at the top of the code. Let's write those functions now. The dot function has two short delays. The first delay is for 100 milliseconds. The second delay is for 300 milliseconds. Another way to think about this is that the millisecond is 1/1000th of a second. Another idea is that 1,000 milliseconds make up 1 second. Now let's write the dash function. The dash function has delays that are 500 milliseconds each. Note that 500 milliseconds is the same as half of a second. Now that we've completed our dot and dash functions, let's use them in the loop function. Recall that the loop function is called over and over. Note that the letter S is made up of 3 dots and the letter O is made up of 3 dashes. To compile the project, click the Compile button. Now to flash to the device, which means that we will reprogram the target device, we need to have a reservation first. Let's do that now. Let's just reserve a couple of minutes for this example. Okay, let's compile and then flash. This may take a minute. Over on the right, you might see this flashing a little bit while we get things going. This is normal. And you can see that our program is running in the upper right in the monitor. That concludes this tutorial.